I'm Nancy A. Parker, the Executive Director of the Detroit Justice Center. And DJC, we are a nonprofit law firm that was founded by Dr. Amanda Alexander in 2018, based upon the mission to serve the unmet legal needs of Detroiters, as well as to support their freedom dreams.
A focus on making Detroit a more just city, but doing that in a way that recognizes the legacy and impact of mass incarceration.
And it's the thought of really investing more into the community. Of course, the things that are needed, the things that are a priority for the community.
Because the movement defines what is the most critical. The community defines what is getting in the way of their freedom dreams and what is fundamentally important to their liberty.
We really just want to expand the knowledge of what legal empowerment really can be, what it looks like, how to tap into it for everyone.
At the heartbeat of DJC, we are fighting for this abolitionist future, a liberated future where everyone has their needs met, where everyone can be any and everything that they want to be.
Our approach here at DJC, and this is what really has made this a special place for me, is sort of bottom up. It's community lawyering. So the agenda that we have, the priorities that we have are set by the community.
Democratizing access to the law is really showing folks that we all have access to the law. The law is here, it exists. These systems are in place and we can all tap into them.
City and state governments must realign and get in alignment with community priorities. Sometimes we're funding things that are not even a priority in the community, that's not going to advance the health, well-being, and safety of community.
I want to empower people to know that you have rights that you can take advantage of. You have the right to ask for that help. You have the right to be listened to. You have the right to have somebody advocate for you. And hopefully, because I am a movement lawyer, I'm also bringing more people into the movement to, be the power of the people, because that is what a true democracy is.
DJC is amazing because we have a group of lawyers and non-lawyers. And some of the non-lawyers that we have underneath our roof are the folks we call our community legal advocates. And so these are folks who are from community, steeped in community. Maybe folks have lost their home or dealt with other issues that we know our clients and everyday people are dealing with. These are the folks that we want to employ, that we want to be working with, because we believe and we know for a fact that those who are closest to the problems are closest to the solutions.
It was just an idea in her head at the time. And I said, if you ever get this going, if you ever get this up and running, let me know. I would love to come. And so I was, I guess, the second person hired, and I've been here at DJC pretty much since the beginning.
DJC in particular, in 2018, we were working on property tax overassessment issues in the city of Detroit. And that's how I started, helping people to not have to overpay for their property taxes, helping to make the system fair, especially for homeowners in Detroit who have been shut out, who have been most marginalized, and were most taken advantage of.
That's a part of my why. Just having had a parent incarcerated throughout my life from youth really to adulthood, but seeing the impact of my mother's incarceration and actually being raised by a single father, and matriculating through schools, taking the bus, all the things. But seeing the impact on me and my siblings really made me want to do something about it.
Just giving citizens a fair shot. And so that was my focus when I came here, to really focus on what are we doing that is crushing people's, who are just everyday people struggling to just get day by day, and why aren't they getting the chance to fight a fair fight?
There's so many amazing things about DJC, and I have the luxury, how I describe my position as executive director. It really just means I have the luxury of leading an amazing team of amazing humans doing amazing work.